Welcome all to Impact Note. In this video, I discuss how to break cycle of the abuse. It is not easy to break the cycle of the abuse. In this video, I share some theoretical aspect of the cycle of the abuse and some personal view. At first, what is cycle of the abuse? It is a social cycle theory developed in 1979 by Lenore E. Walker to explain pattern of behavior in an abusive relationship. There are 4 stages of cycle of the abuse: tension building, incident, reconciliations, and calm. What is tension building? The stress built from the pressure of the daily life, like conflict over the children, marital issue, misunderstanding, and other family conflict. It also built as the result of the illness, legal or financial problem. This phase can last anywhere from minutes to weeks. Abuser may begin to feel wronged, ignored, and neglected. They may accuse, yell, demand, and have unrealistic expectation. What can you do? Try to learn about abuser, both strength and weakness. Never try to explain to abuser. Learn to say no. If you are afraid to say big no, say small no's. Withdraw yourself from abuser. If physically not possible, withdraw yourself emotionally. Set boundaries. Don't show your mental suffering. Always learn to enrich yourself. The next step is incidents. During this stage, the abuser attempts to dominate their victim. Outbursts of violence and abuse occur, which may include verbal abuse or psychological abuse. What can you do? Be patient. Don't add fuel on fire. Try to say nothing or as less as possible. Say positive things like I feel sorry this matter hurt you, or okay, we could discuss this matter, okay, I like to evaluate your points, or good suggestion, I don't think this way. Don't show your emotion, fear, guilt. Try to understand the intention behind the incidents. Carefully handle every situation. Try to control the situation. Never hand over the situation to your abuser. He can mess up the family but can't solve. Reconciliation. Abuser may begin to feel remorse, guilt feelings, or fear that their partner will leave or call the police. Most of the time, it is nothing but drama of the abuser. The victim feels pain, fear, humiliation, disrespect, confusion, and may feel responsible for mistake. What can you do? You can leave the person because it is very difficult to impossible to manage a narcissistic abuser. But if you stay, run normal life as if nothing was happened. Don't show any sympathy, anger, resilience. Wisely reduce interactions between abuser both physically and emotionally. Increase interactions with your relative, friend, person who support you mentally. Arrange little bit discomfort for your abuser. Abuser preparing himself for honeymoon phase, so it is the right time to give him discomfort. Work on weakness of abuser. Calm. During this phase also known as the honeymoon phase, the relationship is relatively calm and peaceful. During this period, the abuser may agree to engage in counseling, ask for forgiveness, create a normal atmosphere. In intimate partner relationship, the abuser may be present or the couple may engage in passionate sex. In the honeymoon phase, your abuser may be apologetic be extra attentive to you, help out more around the house, make promises to change his abusive behavior, give you gift, compliment you, spend more time with you. What can you do? Plan your day wisely so abuser cannot raise the issue regarding the incidents. Spend less time with him, go for vacation alone or meet your family alone or go for gyms. Don't show you are happy or hopeful for his promises. Take the gift. If he give you gift, take the gift, say thank you with weird emotional face. Don't celebrate the gift. If he insists, tell him you will be very grateful if he allow you to use the gift after a particular time or occasion in near future, and try to never ever use the gift. It is very helpful tips to break the cycle. If he compliment you, say thank you without smiling. Show him a confused face, surprised face, doubt face, unexpected behavior. It is a unaccepted behavior from him. Show him you don't believe him. The non-verbally try to say you don't believe him. When he spend time with you, don't say I like this, I don't like this, my life goals are those, I am accepting from you this, we can do this, I get compliment from my relative, my friends. So this topic you never share with your abusive relationship. This is the normal cycle of abuse. The abuser initially spend most of the time to tension building, then incidents is occur, and 30% time used for reconciliations and 10% time for honeymoon. And this cycle is like this, it continue, but when the abuser is confident enough, this cycle is reduced only 2 step: tension building incidents, 2-step cycle is converted into 2-step cycle. So it is very difficult situation for any person. So you have to learn you have to break each stage of cycle of abuse. And some tips: what is the greatest weapon of the abuser? All information about you. Mostly they use your weakness against you. So try to break each component of the cycle, and each component you can handle each component in different way. So it is I collect this information from different journal and some personal view also present here. So if you feel this video is helpful, please share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.